Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt before.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, it is mad humid out here. I know the sun is not even up, but it's humid out here. Today, what I'm going to share with you is this right here. Alright, I have this product right here called AC Pro Vent and Duct Cleaner Odor Neutralizer. Alright, so I made this video particular for the people who, I had this problem long time ago when I had, it was a 2001, I think it's a 2001 or 2002, what is it? It's a Chevy Blazer. So basically, bacteria grows in your evaporator, and when bacteria, mold and stuff build up, when you turn on your AC, it smells really bad. So I was like, you know what, let me make a video for them people, even though I've seen a lot of videos like this on YouTube. But hey, for my people, my supporters, and you just never know who will come across your video, you could just give them a helping hand. So I went to the auto store. I basically bought this was like, I think it's like $6 and change. It's cheap, really inexpensive. So what you do when you purchase it, you basically spray it into your vents. You can see right here, the vents right there, vents right there, vents right here. It also got vents underneath the vehicle, so when you, sometimes you feel the air underneath your leg. So let me go to that extent and show you guys on this vehicle, this particular vehicle. This is 2008 Toyota Avalon. It doesn't really matter what vehicle, all vehicles should have vents underneath. As you can see, it's really trashy. I really need to get this vehicle vacuumed. It got vents under there as well. So you spray it all inside of the vents, on this side, in the back, and also in underneath of the passenger side as well. So when you finish spraying, spray it. You could also pop your hood. I'm gonna show you where to spray it as well. Pop your hood. Don't turn on the AC or nothing yet. I'm gonna tell you when to. Pop your hood, and as you can see, you got some vents up here. You see it? Got over here, all the way over there as well. So what you want to do to kill that bad moldy smell is, when you finish spraying inside, you just let it sit for like maybe about 5-10 minutes. You turn on your air all the way up. Do not let the air circulate. So keep this, make sure this light right here is not lit up. Don't let it circulate. Right now, fresh air is basically coming in from outside. It's going through the system. So what you want to do is basically spray it just like so, and just like this. What is going to happen is going to suck it in, and it's going to clean the evaporator. It's going to clean all that mold. You could also use Lysol as well. But I was like, you know what, let me use this product and, you know, do a good demonstration for the people who really need it. Just spray it. Keep the vehicle running. Keep the air running. All that good air going inside so it can clean. Go right into the evaporator to kill the mold, kill the bacteria, kill all that bad smell. This don't goes for everybody. I'm talking about only the people who have a bad smell when they turn on their AC. They smell a really horrible smell. That's, as I said, that's mold, bacteria. You don't want to inhale. You don't want to inhale that. That is bad for all human. So you could pick this up at an auto store, or you could ask for it at any auto store. They might have some different types. They got different name brands. They should. Whichever one they have, just do this procedure. I'm sorry, I'm kind of blocking. And one block I really wanted to show you guys. So this spray, as I said, it's going to take it in, spray it in the vents. Gonna take it in. It's gonna go through the evaporator, and it's gonna kill the mold, kill all the bacteria. It's just gonna kill everything, you know. It's gonna clean it up. They do have another one. I'm gonna make that video in a different. I'm gonna show you guys another one how to do it. It's a different way for people who really go down in their vehicle and, you know, do their thing. So right now, all I'm smelling right now is just fresh, clean air. Fresh, clean air right now. Everything is fresh. It actually smells really good. Wow. It smells really good, guys. So, as I said, you turn it all the way up to high. Okay, my temperature was low. So what I'm gonna do as well, I'm gonna turn it to the heat. I'm gonna turn it all the way to hot. Hold on, let me change that back. So it's gonna start blowing hot air out the vents. That runs as well. Okay, it's hot air blowing out now. Remember, do not illuminate the circulation to go inside the car. You want fresh air to come from outside, come inside of the car. So it's that easy and simple procedure you just got to do. And I know a lot of people have that problem. I'm necessarily don't have that problem, but I just wanted to show that demonstration. I had it a long time ago when I had my Chevy Chevy Blazer. That was a long time ago, like 2001 Chevy Blazer. So that's all you have to do, guys. You're gonna take it in, and it's gonna clean up, kill the bacteria, kill the mold, kill that bad smell. It's gonna eliminate the bad smell it's gonna kill that bad smell for the city guy driving around. It's gonna kill that bad smell for the from the evaporator. Kill the mold, kill the bacteria, kill everything. So there you have it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really want you guys to like, subscribe, share this video out. I really appreciate the love, the support, you know. Really appreciate everything, guys. But that's how you do it. You spray it in the vent. You wait like about 5 to 10 minutes. Spray it in all the vents. And then when you want it to go into the system, you just turn on your air. Turn it all the way on high, the fan on high. Make sure the air is not circulating inside of the car. Make sure the air is coming from outside of the car, so that the air come from outside. That's how you do it, guys. Easy and simple. I could feel the heat. Oh my goodness. Let me turn it back down. You see him turning it back down. That air circulates. Yes, that's how you do it, guys. Easy and simple. Easy and simple procedure. Just don't close the vents. Let the air circulate in the system. Clean it up. That's how you do it. As I said, I use this product, AC Pro Vent and Duct Cleaner, or odor neutralizer. It really kills the odor. Because right now I'm smelling, see, even the people who smokes, you know, all that buildup, stalled air, mildew, mold and mildew, it kills. So good stuff. It works. In here, it smell like I got some kind of clean. It smell like clean linen, You know, they have that. I think it's Febreze. They got that Febreze odor eliminator, clean linen. That's what this stuff smells like. So in my car right now, what's coming out the vents is a clean linen smell. It's coming out the vents right now. So that's how you do it. I hope you enjoy it. Enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe. I really appreciate the love, support, and everything. Peace, much love, and take care until another one.